Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2019 Kia Forte EX. Powering this sedan is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 1-speed, constantly variable transmission, capable of just 6 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the trunk of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, enough to fit all 4 of your spare tires. You also have the rear seat folding release. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. On the dash is your blind spot monitor, lane keeping assist, as well as traction control. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio, display controls, and cruise control. This Forte is currently sitting at 53,400 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. Climate controls, wireless phone charging, as well as extra storage and power ports, heated front seats and heated steering wheel, your drive mode, and gear select. This vehicle also has a premium cloth interior. For the back of the interior, you have rear AC. You also have a cargo net in the back of the front passenger seat, and a flip-down armrest and cup holders in the center of your 60/40 split folding rear seats. If you would like to see this 2019 Kia Forte EX in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.